Hi Shaira, how are you?
I'm good.
How you travel to Angeles City?
I use Jeep and Trike.
Jeepney?
Jeep and Trike.
In Jeepney, the first trike from home.
Yeah.
And Jeepney, how much trike you pay?
35.
35 peso.
And then 2 jeepney is 30.
30, one Jeepney.
2.
Use 30. 30 is 2 Jeepney. 15 peso, one Jeepney.
Yes.
Okay. Going to the restaurant, Italian restaurant. Our friend invite us to Italian restaurant, Italian friend. I not take video inside. You already many times already watched video, and thank you for watching, and see you in next video. What need to say, Shaira?
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like.